These are glass sculptures made by cold glass artisan Jack Storms. He is known as just one of 3 standout cold glass craftsmen. And with the precision of a surgeon, he inserts slivers of coloured dichroic glass between them at every stage, pausing to glue and cure them before repeating the process. The end result glass core emits a kaleidoscope of colours, which looks like the glass equivalent of a Rubik's Cube. This core is then encased in sculpted optic crystal. He then hand sculpts the final piece to the desired shape on a cold press lathe. The optical crystal helps with refracting the light passing through the sculpture and creating a hypnotic light show of colours. The end product is usually a geometric shape, such as a cube, pyramid, wedge, a round ball or an egg. I was told it can take up to 18 weeks to create these amazing designs, and in some cases years for the larger, more specialised pieces. The smaller sculptures sell for around $3,000 and the larger pieces can sell upwards of $100,000. Jack is a true pioneer in the cold glass world, and his award-winning work is sought by collectors around the world. 2 of his sculptures even made it into the movie Guardians of the Galaxy, in the broker's store located on Xandar. Jack said, "Every art piece that goes through my fingers is the most beautiful one I've ever made, and if it isn't, I work on it until it is." Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.